when you build a house, will you put your name with your servant's name? If I say servant, excuse me to say, maybe you have a housemaid or maid in the house, or you get me, who is serving you. Will you put your name and the servant's name, especially next to yours, in the same lane on top of the house to claim ownership?
That is a very good point, Brother Shoaib. Well,
Good.
you gave a very good example.
Good. If
And
the answer is no,
all the prophets, all the
yes.
messengers are God's servants. They came in this planet to spread Allah's message. That's all.
Yes, that is the point.
Very
So
good.
Quran chapter 21, verse 26 to 27 to 28 testifies to that. They are honorable servants of God.
That is true.
So why will you put an honorable servant of God next to the name of God?